Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents because missing papers stall approval. Once you have ID, PAN, bank statements, salary slips, and a working mobile, open the Zestmoney app or website and select the personal loan option. Enter basic details, name, DOB, mobile, and link your bank instantly. This speeds verification. Make sure to use the same mobile number tied to your bank account. Starting here saves time and prevents avoidable delays later in processing. You now complete the detailed form. Enter employment details, monthly income, and desired loan amount because accuracy affects eligibility and EMI. Once done, choose Document Upload or eKYC. Using bank OTP and Aadhaar-based verification often clears checks faster. Then review offered loan plans, compare tenors, interest rates, monthly EMI, and processing fee so you understand total cost. Make sure to recalculate EMIs if you change tenure. Small rate. You finish by reviewing the sanction letter, accepting terms, and e-signing the agreement. This legally enables dispersal. Once signed, provide the bank mandate or account details for transfer and track status in the app. Funds commonly arrive within 24 to 48 hours. If funds are delayed or an application is rejected, check your credit report for discrepancies, re-upload corrected documents, and contact Zestmoney support with your application ID. Addressing the specific issue quickly usually resolves most problems without restarting the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.